And US President Donald Trump has announced pricing agreements with 9 major pharmaceutical companies to cut the cost for medicines. This is for the government's Medicaid program and for some cash-paying patients. The White House says the move is aimed at bringing US drug prices closer to levels seen in other wealthy nations, where medicines often cost far less.
We were subsidizing the entire world. We're not doing it anymore. This is the biggest thing having to do with drugs in the history of the purchase of drugs.
The US currently pays the highest prescription drug prices among developed countries, often nearly 3 times more than patients overseas. Under the agreements, drug makers will cut prices on most medicines sold through Medicaid, which serves low-income Americans. Now, officials have promised massive savings on widely used drugs, though exact figures have not been disclosed. The deals also include commitments to reduce some direct-to-consumer cash prices and to launch new drugs at prices which are equal to those in other advanced economies.
I can tell you by the end of this term, 95% of the drugs we will have MFN. In other words, Americans will be paying the lowest price in the world for 95% of the drugs.
In return for the price cuts, participating companies will receive a 3-year exemption from potential US tariffs. The administration says more drug makers are expected to join discussions after the holidays with the launch of the Trump RX website. President Trump has also signaled that health insurance companies will be called to the White House in the coming weeks.
As of today, 14 out of 17 largest pharmaceutical companies have now agreed. 14 out of 17. Oh, those 3 companies, they're in deep trouble. But actually, they've agreed because I think those 3 companies are coming in at a different time next week. So they've agreed. Johnson & Johnson is one of them, right?
After the holidays.
And with that, it's a wrap on this bulletin. Thanks for staying with us. You're watching WION World is One.